My name is Chad with Benchmark Tool and Supply. Today we did an installation on an iDig system for a specific customer who does septic tank work. The iDig is a two-dimensional system that Benchmark supply. We specialize really on mini X's. Majority of my systems that I install do come from independent contractors, so to speak. They do septic work or utility work or some landscape work. You can check the grade of your hole, you can check the depth, everything from just looking at your screen, looking at your monitor, which is a huge time saver, especially if you're the only person in the field. You don't have to get in and out of your machine. You can sit here in the operator's seat.
Getting on and off the machine in an 8-hour day, it really wears on you. I'm not getting any younger. Safety-wise, I dig a septic tank hole. So a septic tank hole could be, deep, unsafe conditions with soil and stuff. I would actually have to, get it on a ladder and get down there and dress it up to make everything nice and level. So the iDig system, my plan is to keep me from getting down in that hole, in that unsafe environment.